Yepa, how are you? After your comments and requests, I have created the tutorial for the Coffin Dance Cup game. Remember, if you haven't seen the video yet, you have the link in the description box. In this tutorial, I'm not going to explain the first part of the video because you can see the movements clearly. For the reason, I'm going to focus on the second part. I have divided this part in 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3, and I will go step by step, and every 2 repetitions I will add a new movement. Are you ready? Let's go! If you are not subscribed yet, click on the button to help me increase the channel. Thank you. Let's go with the section 1. Right, left. With a new movement. Right, left, and clap. Next one. Right, left, clap, and grab. Another time. Right, left, clap, grab. Next one. Right, left, clap, grab, and tap with the right hand. With next step, right, left, clap, grab, tap, and tap with the cup. Now I'm going to play all sequence without voice. Perfect. And if it doesn't work for you, don't worry. Remember to repeat the sequence several times. Come on, let's go to the second section. Clap and grab. Be careful because you have to turn your hand like this. Clap and swipe. Next one. Clap, swipe, and hit with your right hand. Another time. Next step. Clap, swipe, hit, and tap on the table with this part of the cup. Another time, the same movement. And next one. Clap, swipe, hit, tap, and pass the cup to the right hand. We are going to repeat this movement 2 times. Clap, swipe, hit, tap, pass the cup. Last time. And with the next one will be clap, swipe, hit, tap, pass the cup, hit on the table with your left hand. Another time. And now the last movement. Clap, swipe, hit, tap, pass the cup, hit on the table, and turn the cup over your left hand. Last time. Wall section. And now I will do the 2 sections in a row. Perfect. Now we are going to do the section 3. Let's go. Right and left. Right, left, and clap. Right, left, clap and grab the cup. And right, left, clap, grab, and tap the table with right hand. Next one. Right, left, clap, grab, right, and tap the cup another time. With next movement will be right, left, clap, grab, right, cup, and clap. And the last one, right, left, clap, grab, right, cap, clap, and grab. In the next part, you have to repeat the 3 last movements. Tap on right hand, tap on the table with the cup, and clap. And the whole section will be like this. Now you know half of the song. For the rest, we have to do the same movement in reverse, so we will start first with the left hand. To finish the tutorial, I'm going to show you these 3 sections without voice. I hope you have learned all the steps and now is the time to enjoy the game. And remember, if you like this video, share, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe for more content.